cute little bag. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Everybody, it's Miss Philly. We are just coming from the post office and I got an exciting unboxing for you guys. So exciting. Okay, so I ordered from the Michael Kors website because they were having like an amazing sale. I think they're still having a sale right now. Make sure that you go through EBATES because you do get 4% cash back. And yeah, so you go through EBATES, it directs you to the Michael Kors website. You order like you would order and buy, and then boom, you get money back, like cash back through check form. Anyway, I know it looks really small, but it is a bag, and it's actually kind of reminiscent of the YSL Sac de Jour Nano that I had thrifted. So I think because I don't want to wear out that bag, because I have gotten offers on it, like a lot of really good offers, but I don't want to wear it every day, even though I want to wear it every day. I think I'll interchange it with this bag because it's very similar. I pre-opened it with my thing. Oh, okay. So you're not going to believe the price. This regularly was priced at $298. It was on sale for $113. Isn't that crazy? $113. Where can you get a brand new Michael Kors bag for $113? I don't know. Maybe the outlet mall, but this isn't an outlet bag. So we're going to go look at it. That's what it looks like. Okay, here's the packaging. Oh, look at that bag. Isn't that the cutest little bitch you've ever seen in your life? The leather is so nice and smooth. Okay, this is called the Michael Kors Mercer Small Disco Bag or something of that sort. What is it called? Where is the receipt? The Mercer Modern Disco Leather Crossbody. That's the technical name for it. Ah, isn't that the cutest? Okay, the reason that this bag is special is because it does something really cool. I don't know if there's a battery in it, but you guys know that the Chanel one, the Chanel bag, they had like a disco Chanel bag that lit up with LED lights. This does the same thing for like a fraction of the cost. But let's get a look at this bag first. Look at that, the cuteness. It has like purple, blue, yellow, pink, a lot of cute colors. So much packaging in here. Okay, what are you doing? It has a cute little lock. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna see. Okay, so let's take all the stuffing out. Okay, it comes with the crossbody strap. Okay, so that's what the interior looks like. There's basically like card slots right here and then a zip pocket right here, but the zip pocket over here houses like the plastic cellophane thingy that shows lights when it lights up, and then the middle zip compartment actually houses the battery pack. So retail was, oh sorry, $378 is retail, and I got it for $113. Like, hello, deal of the day. Oh, cute little dust bag, card, and where's the battery pack? Okay, how do we turn this on? Okay, there's a little slit for the battery pack. Okay, we'll turn it on. Oh, it is on. Okay. Hello. Okay. I don't think there's any battery in it, or is there? Oops. No, there's no battery. I guess we have to put two AA batteries in it. Batteries not apparently included. Okay, well that sucks. Whatever. So I'm gonna have to show you like in a different clip of what of how it lights up. It basically moves to the sound of music or your voice or whatever, which I think is really cool. It's a really cute bag. It'll be like a nice kind of cool statement piece, you know, it'll be like bam, 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 whatever, whatever. You'll be like the life of the party. But yeah, so we'll do like a 360. There's the back. There's the back. There's the side. We'll take off this cellophane stuff. I'm not gonna, I was thinking of reselling it, but then I figured I kind of want it. The novelty of it is kind of cool. Why does Michael Kors pack their shit so well to protect it from scratching and stuff? This leather, this leather is really like similar to the Y. Actually, no, the YSL is smoother. Who are we kidding? $2,000, $113. There's a difference. That is cuteness galore. Cuteness galore. Doesn't it look like the Sac de Giordano? Totally. Like Michael Kors totally ripped off the design. Let's be real. Okay, so take off the... Also comes with a lock, the way the YSL one comes with a lock. Okay, that's cute. It's cute. It's cute. Isn't it cute? Maybe I'll get a battery because we're at the post office. I'll go get some batteries and I'll show you what it looks like, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so the batteries were way too expensive. They were like $5.99. I can go to a dollar store and get them for like $1. So we didn't pick up the batteries, but I did get some Miss Philly mail from... Who's this from? I don't know. It doesn't have a return address. But I think she messaged me on my YouTube video saying that she sent me something. So I'm going to have to remember who it was. Ooh, what is this? Oh my God, this is so cute. Thank you so much. It's a Victoria's Secret tote. Look at that. The price of this is like $58. Oh, I can add it to my Victoria's Secret collection. Thank you. Oh, I love it. It's great for like when I'm a hot skinny bitch and I can be like, yeah bitch, I'm a hot skinny bitch with my Victoria's Secret tote at the beach, okay? I love it. Thank you so much. It's so beautiful. Just like you and me, we're both beautiful. We are beautiful. Oh, there's a letter. There's a letter. Dear Miss Philly, oh, she sent this a long time ago, June 2nd. Wow, it's been a while. Hi, my name is Laura, and I want to let you know I love watching your YouTube videos and channel. You always make me laugh, and I live to see you shopping for all kinds of bags, etc. I love handbags, and you came across my YouTube when I was watching other thrifting videos. Anyway, I thought of you when I saw this tote from Victoria's Secret. My email is... If you ever want to send me an email, take care. I hope you always find great deals and handbags. Thank you so much, Laura. Where'd this come from? It came from Gorham, ME. I don't know where that is. ME. Montana? No, that's MN. Michigan? No, that's MI. What's ME? Minnesota? Minneapolis? Minnesota? Miami? I don't know where ME is. I'm sorry. I'm so... dumb. I'm dumb. Anyways, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it a lot. Trust me, I'm going to use this. It's going to be in one of my one of my vlogs when I'm a hot skinny bitch with a two-piece with my sexy wild boyfriend. I'll be like, yeah, baby. Carry my Victoria's Secret. Cute little bag. I love it. I love it. I love it. Do I need the YSL now that I have this? Of course I do. Unless someone wants to offer me good money for the YSL. I mean, I already had offers, but cut to the next scene. We're going to test out this puppy so you see what it can do. Okay, guys, so we just came from Dollar Tree, picked up the batteries for $1.25. Such a deal. Better than... Oh, and I also got some peanut butter cups. I love... They're like my favorite chocolate flavor chocolate candies. Reese's peanut butter cups, the big cups. Love it. Okay, where's the batteries? Okay, we got the batteries. We only need 2. Let's open these up. Hello? 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 So it makes noise. That's kind of annoying. Hi. Okay, you can't really see it because it's dark, but let's see. Hey, how are you? Hello, how are you? You are my friend. Can they reach me? I bet they can't. I bet they won't. I bet they frown. That's how I know our luck is out of run, fool. You can see it lighting up. Hello, hi. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. You get the idea, right? If it's really sensitive, it'll pick up noise like really easy. But then if you turn the dial down a notch, then it won't pick up sound as whatever. It won't be as sensitive, you know what I mean? Anyway, that's it. That's the bag. I wish you could see it better. Hello. 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 How are you today? Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. See, sorry if that's annoying people. Anyway, that's what the bag does. I think it's kind of cool. I like it. I'm satisfied for $113. Do like a video in the dark at home so that you can get the more gist of it, like in being in the dark and glowing, you know, or whatever. Anyway, guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed me and my brand new Mercer medium messenger leather disco bag from by Michael Kors. I love it. It's cute. Has feet. Really cute. Looks to be about 8 by 6 maybe. No, 9 by 7 maybe. 9 by 7. Just eyeballing it. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love my new bag. It's definitely something that I can switch out with my Yves Saint Laurent Sac de Jour Nano. This is definitely a great kind of option for it, especially for the price tag of $113, and you get leather and you get the designer name of Michael Kors. Definitely a deal. Check out their website, and don't forget, if you don't have EBATES, sign down below. I have my link to my EBATES down below, and you get like 4% back. And there's so many stores like Nordstrom's, the Bay, the Shopping Channel, Old Navy. There's so many stores, like practically all the stores. But yeah, love this. Such a good deal on this bag. Such a good deal. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. I love you. Stay positive, stay beautiful, stay progressive, stay productive. Live your life, because we all deserve a fabulous life to live.